Hi, I'm Chris.
And I'm Archie.
Where are we going today, Arch?
Cardiff!
We're going to Wales, aren't we? This is the beginning of a little Welsh train trip.
Yeah.
What we've got here is a GWR network map. So we're at London Paddington, yeah? And where are we going?
We're going to Cardiff Central.
Cardiff Central. And we're going to do a bit of train spotting in Cardiff.
Yeah.
You're quite excited about Cardiff trains, apparently?
Yeah.
Okay, good. And we're going to stay with a friend of ours there. And where are we going after that?
Oh, what's it called again?
Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to carry on westwards and we're going to go to Carmarthen. Now there used to be a line that went from Carmarthen northwards through Lampeter to Aberystwyth. Now I'm from Lampeter. I grew up in Lampeter when I was a kid. And when I was there used to be bits of the track left. So we're going to see if we can see any sign at all of the old railway there. And then we're going to go up to Aberystwyth. Yeah. They've got old steam trains there, Vale of Rheidol line. So we'll try that. And then we'll probably come back across country, across Wales, to Birmingham and down into Euston. That's our plan. Follow us on our little journey. That's what we're heading for, the 11:45 for Swansea. They're just getting it ready at the moment. Archie spotted that it says there it's got 10 coaches. What does that tell us, Arch?
It's a Class 800.
It's Arch.
Yeah.
This is our Class 800 we're going to Cardiff on, yeah?
Yeah.
Where are we sat?
Coach J.
Let's go find it. What a beauty.
Yeah. It's like Beauty and the Beast.
Okay, let's have a look. Oh, looks nice. Sorry. Here we are, 11 and 12.
I'm 12.
Well, it's gone moving, just so people can get on. Thanks.
Class 800.
Yay! That's what we wanted. Free Wi-Fi, Arch.
I'm trying.
Looks like we do. All these 800s are good. And power sockets. And they're going to come around serving snacks and drinks, but we've already got our own. And we're going to have a great view of Brunel's Great Western Railway.
Yay!
What's happening, Arch?
We're leaving Paddington on a Class 800.
I must say, it's picking up a fair bit of speed straight away, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh look.
What's that?
That's an Elizabeth line.
It is, isn't it?
Plus 345.
We're pulling way ahead. Have you ever eaten mango at this speed before?
No. What I'm eating is melon. You can have the last piece of pineapple. Sorry.
Oh, cool.
Mango.
Being alright.
Yeah, I don't really like mango. I haven't been down this section for ages. Slowest Class 387 in the history of Class 387s.
There's West Ealing Station.
And speed. Oh, no 165. Oh, there's the 165.
There's our bridge that we sometimes look at trains from, but
There's a bunch of 387s parked up there.
I know when we stand on that bridge you can see 800s going really fast, but it's only when you actually sit on one you realise quite how scary fast it
And
is.
train station.
Oh yeah? Shoo, gone.
Oh, Freightliner Class 66.
It's not the best for planes and trains. Oh, this is the viaduct.
Yeah, we've gone over it.
Let's it's not the best for train spotting because you don't actually get a glimpse of anything, do you? Because of the speed we're going at.
Oh, another Class 66 and Freightliner livery.
Yeah.
I like a Freightliner livery.
So it looks to me like we're coming into Reading. Well, so far that journey has taken 20 minutes. As far as I know, Reading's 35 miles from London.
That's pretty quick.
Yeah, considering we had to speed up and we haven't got the slow section. Oh, there we go, yeah. Yeah, this is Reading in 20 minutes.
More 166.
Oh, nice. That's quite a good view, isn't it? It's a beautiful countryside, isn't it? What station was that?
Goring Stradley.
Oh, okay, so Didcot should be soon, I think.
Parkway.
Oh, there it is, isn't it? Oh, and that train's getting in the way because we want to see the classic trains behind it. So, yeah, that's the Didcot Railway Centre there. We've been there before, we've never filmed an episode, have we?
No, we haven't. We need to do that.
Yeah, and we can't see from the track here all the beauty they've got in there. Oh, that's a shame. Okay, if I've got one complaint about this Class 800, it's the litter bins are too small. They're filled up already. That's for a whole carriage. Anyway, minor complaint because the journey itself is amazing. And the comfort we have is great too. And it's in a lovely green livery. Enjoying it, Arch?
Yep. Gorgeous views.
Isn't it? Yeah, I was just saying. So on our previous trip, where we went around Europe on trains, we had some international top trappers that were playing international trains with us. And I suggested to Archie for this trip it'd be nice if we had some British trains top traps. I suggested it a bit late and we didn't actually go around to Ireland. Then Archie's made some.
They're in here.
I'm going to get my 68 and I'm going for speed 100.
140.
No way, what you got?
800.
Oh.
Okay. So I've got the Class 395. Cool 10.
I've only got a Class 360 at Cool 7.
I'm not doing too bad on this, am I?
And take care
That's a
when
bit odd,
stepping
isn't it?
down from the train.
I've never seen anything like that before.
So we're just approaching Swindon now. We're about an hour into the journey and it's it has slowed down a couple of times, but it's a pretty quick journey all the same.
It's been just over an hour now. Oh, another opening.
So anyway, where were we?
I think it's my turn.
Yeah.
Cool 9.
Yeah, I think you were going to beat this one anyway.
Yay, I won!
You won the first test game. I'd say actually it's a perfectly working game. We might have to alter a few things on it, but generally we've got a working tops trap game. Yay!
Top tip.
We are, aren't we? We're on a corner. Probably can't get it on camera, but you can certainly feel it.
Yeah. We're in a tunnel.
We very much are.
No, we're not.
I think that was this line. I mean, obviously it's very modern and we're going super fast, but this line was one of the first cross-country train lines in Britain. The old Great Western is a barkeep right now. That was one of his constructions. A tunnel line. Say his construction. Obviously he designed it. Thousands of people, hundreds of people worked on it and lost their lives making it at the time. But yeah, just don't seem like we use that. Amazing. Oh yeah, that's the M4 motorway. As we head towards Bristol Parkway.
We are now approaching Bristol Parkway.
That's what I said. I may be wrong, but I think we're currently in the Severn Tunnel. Meaning we don't get a view of the River Severn, but we are currently crossing from England to Wales, I think. Yep, we're definitely into Wales now. I've seen bilingual street signs. So this is Newport, Grant.
It's quite nice.
Yeah, what's that?
I just saw a few cows making the most of the shade.
Not particularly up on that hill you just spotted.
That's a fire or something.
Not looking good with it.
No.
Tilted again, aren't we? Yeah.
I don't think so.
Where are we actually?
Please take
Cardiff
all your
Central.
belongings with you.
We're in Wales, Dad.
Absolutely, we did it.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform, and take care when stepping
And it's
down.
been a lovely ride as well. I must say, it's Class 800s. Super comfortable, smooth, Wi-Fi, snacks, and 2 hours from Paddington to Cardiff.
And
Yeah.
it's Class 800, what not? Yeah, we're at Cardiff Central. What a lovely place.
Oh, this is, yeah, absolutely beautiful. We'll go and have a look around. What's that over there?
That's 166.
Oh, that's another 800. Hey. Here we are. Caerdydd Canolog. Hey, we did it, Arch. On that lovely Hitachi. I know it's got a Hitachi logo on the step. Hitachi Class 800.
Yay!
Right, let's go and have a look around Cardiff.
Yeah.
Bye now.